The 2024 Subaru Impreza offers a simple lineup of basic transportation with the flexibility of a hatchback. What kind of vehicle is the 2024 Subaru Impreza? The sedan version of the 2024 Subaru Impreza is no longer produced, and only the hatchback version is available. The Mazda 3, Toyota Corolla, Volkswagen GTI, and even the Subaru Crosstrek are just a few of the compact cars it competes against. We've found the Impreza to be a reliable, affordable vehicle, but until we've driven the new one, we won't pass judgment. It should have good room, good crash test results, and the all-weather assurance of all-wheel drive. What's new for the 2024 Subaru Impreza? Before going further, please subscribe to my channel. I have only 0.6% viewers who subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel. It will make my day. The sedan and manual gearbox are gone from the Impreza lineup starting with the 2024 model year, but the RS model is back. The new model also sports a 2.5-liter engine that wasn't offered in the outgoing generation. The RS relates to the 2.5 RS of the late 1990s, which was a forerunner to the WRX. The Impreza gets a fresh style for the 2024 model year, while having a well-known design. The front grille develops a hexagonal shape, and the housings for the outboard fog lights go larger. A new character line descends from the front wheels to the lower sills, and then returns to the rear wheel cuts as the fenders widen around the wheels. For simpler access to the roof, Subaru provides a step plate inside the back doors in addition to the regular roof brackets. Dark gray wheels and gloss black trim on the side skirts, mirror caps, fog lights, and grille identify the RS model. The base and sport model's 2.0-liter flat 4 continues to produce 152 horsepower and 145 lb-ft of torque. The 2.5-liter flat 4 in the RS generates 182 horsepower and 178 lb-ft of torque. The continuously variable automatic gearbox utilized in both engines sends power to all four wheels, although the Sport and RS's version has 8 preset gear ratios, so it may function more like a standard automatic. According to Subaru, the AWD system responds more quickly, and its center differential doesn't lock up as quickly, allowing the car to turn with less restriction. The new Impreza is built on the same base as the WRX, but it has more high-strength steel and roughly 3 times as much adhesive bonding material in the body. According to Subaru, the outcome is a 10% increase in torsional rigidity. The vehicle employs a dual-pinion electronic power steering rack similar to that used in the WRX, which the manufacturer claims will result in a more immediate and direct steering sensation. Additionally, Subaru strengthened the engine block and gearbox case, which 22% lessens powertrain vibrations. How much does the 2024 Subaru Impreza cost? However, the starting price for the outgoing model was about $21,000. The RS should max out below $30,000, which is where the WRX begins. Base, Sport, and RS trims make up the new lineup's streamlined offering. The Impreza's entry-level model includes 16-inch alloy wheels, cloth upholstery, keyless entry, and LED headlights. To receive the larger screen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, fog lights, and 18-inch wheels, buyers must upgrade to the Sport. The RS upgrades the LED headlights and adds heated front seats, rear USB ports, carbon fiber inside trim, and LED fog lights. A 10-speaker Harman Kardon audio system, a sunroof, and a 10-way power-adjustable front seat with lumbar support are further options for RS customers. Thanks for watching.